Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Mark Darwin, creator and founder of Tech in the Real World. I would like to ask you all a question. What does tech mean to you? My reason for asking this is because this channel is all about simplifying tech and making it as easy to understand as possible for everyone. I became interested in tech from a very young age, so I was probably about 13 when I first built my first PC. I spent hours in the school computer room playing around with PCs and building components. I became fascinated with tech, going out through university, continued building PCs, ran my own computer repair company, continued this passion as a hobby, reading about the latest tech news, signing up to tech blogs. And I always had a dream of launching my own YouTube channel. So earlier this year, I had spinal surgery and I was off work for a long time. And I sat there and thought, I'm going to start doing some videoing. So I started recording myself and giving tech advice and sending it to family and friends. And this led me to posting these videos on YouTube. And it's something that's been something that I've wanted to do for a while. So I've really enjoyed doing it. I've written and started a blog website. I'm really enjoying writing for the website. I think it's taken this to prompt me to do that, which is fine. But it's like a life-changing event took me in this direction. So now I've created Tech in the Real World, which is all about, as I said, simplifying tech and try and make it as easy as possible for people to understand. So thank you very much for watching this video. I really hope you would subscribe to the channel. If you can click the subscribe button below, I really appreciate it. We can help build this channel together.